Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can send a mass email in the Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, sending mass emails is pretty useful. It could be used for a couple of different things. It can be used for marketing campaigns. It can be used just as a memo to people if you want to inform them of something that's happening, and it's pretty much completely up to you depending on what you want to actually send. Now, to actually send it, you just need to go to a module that has a lot of contacts. For example, you can go into leads or you can go into contacts, doesn't really matter, and then go into actions. From here, click on the mass email button, which is somewhere in the middle usually. And now you need to set up your mass email. Just click create, and you can select which contacts or which leads you want to send it to. You can select it to all contacts, to mailing labels, to unread contacts, new this week, new last week. You can pretty much change or choose the criteria you want. I'll select all contacts. Then you need to select a template. If you don't have it, just click create a template. I should have templates in some of my folders. I'm not sure why they're not appearing, so just click create template and then create whichever template you want. Really doesn't matter. I'll select a blank one, and I'm just going to keep it blank. Name it test, name it test. I'll just add a heading over here just so that it's there. Then I'm going to save it into my test folder. Click save. There's already one with this name. I'll name it test2 then. And now you can refresh to see the changes. As you can see, we have that template now. Then select your email you're sending it from, where your replies are going to get to. You can send it immediately, schedule it for later, make a follow-up action. For example, if an email is clicked, you can update fields, add follow-up tasks, schedule a call or whatever you want. And then you can also add follow-up emails if you want. If you're done, just click send, and it's going to send your mass email to people. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.